you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I figured I'll just take you guys along with me as far as a day in my life with a newborn. And I also have my toddler staying home with me this week because it's Christmas break, Christmas week, whatever you want to call it. So I kind of figured I'll just pull out the camera. You guys can kind of like watch my day-to-day today and just kind of see what that looks like. I do have him here in his bassinet, and I have my toddler in the bathtub. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and get them situated as far as their baths. I'm going to go ahead and get myself together as well so I don't look crazy in the vlog, and I guess we'll get the day started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the laundry right here. It's already washed and dried, just have to fold it, and then this pile I need to go ahead and wash today. That's the baby's dirty clothes, and I think that's pretty much it as far as his clothes is concerned. Just go ahead and get this folded so I can go ahead and put it away.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Alright you guys, so we're pretty much downstairs. I took my bath, Trey took his, so we're pretty much downstairs for the rest of the day. So yeah, right now I'm gonna make myself something to eat because I'm starving, and I think I'm just going to relax. I have to wash the baby's clothes. I showed you guys that upstairs. I gotta wash his clothes and just tidy up a little bit. My house isn't too crazy, but it's just a little bit of some tidying up to do, so I'm just gonna show you guys right quickly. You say hi after you eat, okay? You gonna eat some nuggets and french fries?
Yes.
Yes? You want to color?
No.
You want to color? You want to do a puzzle?
No.
Which one to do? No snack because we're gonna eat some lunch, okay? Come here. Come, let's get a toy. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and put the baby's clothes to wash. Trey is actually in front of me eating his lunch. He's eating some nuggets and french fries. I just ate my lunch. I would have vlogged it, but I just kind of felt like watching me eat is kind of boring. So I didn't vlog that part, but I just ate some ziti. Again, he's eating some nuggets and french fries, and I went ahead and washed the baby's clothes. So after he's done eating, I'll let him color a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up the kitchen. I was going to show you guys earlier what it looked like, so let me show you right quickly. ignore this right here. We have to refix the tile on the floor. So Ricky's actually fixing that. So that's why you see that. So ignore that. But like I was telling you guys, the kitchen is not bad. This is the bowl I was eating out of, so ignore that. But it's not bad. It's just like a little bit of cleaning up right here. I'm trying not to let the kitchen or like the house get too like crazy. So just a little bit of picking up right here. That's the products he was using for the towels, but it's not too bad. It's just a little bit of picking up that I have to do, and that's pretty much it. So not too bad. Trey, it tastes good?
Yes.
Yes.
It's hot.
It's hot. You have to blow it. You want some water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at mommy.
You're welcome, boo-boo.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so clueless.
Alright, you guys, so I switched over to my iPhone because my camera died on me. So I switched over to my iPhone to finish vlogging today. Ooh, Trey, your nose is dirty. Alright, we gotta get a wipe, okay?
No.
Come sit down. I'm gonna get a wipe for you, okay? Alright, so back to what I was saying. I have Tristan over here. Let me show you guys right quickly. Alright, I have Tristan over here. I'm gonna get him swaddled up and put him in his swing. So he just got his bath, so he's pretty much just relaxing right now. So he's right here. And Trey, come here. Trey, he went to get some more toys to add to his toys that he already have in front of me. You see the camera? What you doing?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's uh-oh?
Ooh.
Okay. You can finish playing? Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just watching some Hallmark movies. I have a slight headache right now, so yeah, I'm just gonna put my feet up. I'm gonna put him in his swing and put my feet up, and hopefully my headache goes away. But yeah.
and running. Wow. This is so big. This is Lucy.
All right, you guys, so it's pretty much later on in the day. It's actually 4:51. I just got done breastfeeding Tristan, so he's back sleeping. I'll show you guys him right quickly. Let me just turn on the light so it's not so dark. Oh, you're up, boo-boo. He's actually up. Trey's over here on the couch. So yeah, I am going to make me something to eat because I'm starving, and I think that's pretty much it. Like right now we're just chilling, to be honest. I didn't get a chance to finish cleaning my kitchen. You guys saw me started, but I didn't get a chance to finish because Tristan actually woke up from his first nap. And I actually gave him a bath. I tried to film me giving him a bath, but since my actual camera died, I tried to use my phone and it wasn't working, so I didn't get to use the clip of me giving him a bath. Unfortunately, I was trying to include it so you guys can see, but my camera died. So I'm actually charging my camera as we speak, so I'm still using my iPhone. So yeah, so I didn't get to finish my kitchen because he woke up from his nap, so my kitchen is still a little crazy, but not too bad. I do want to show you guys what I got for us to do tomorrow for Christmas Eve. So I want to start like a Christmas tradition since Trey is 2 and we now have Tristan. So I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's just 2 little ornaments. I thought it was so cute. So tomorrow we're going to paint the ornament. Trey and I will paint the ornament tomorrow because Ricky has to work. So we're going to do that tomorrow. I picked up, Ricky picked up 2 tumblers for me. I love to get tumblers every holiday season. The one I got last year, I think it's in a dishwasher. I always like to get either a tumbler or a mug. This is my tumbler from last year. And like I said, I like to get Christmas mugs. So like I have that one. I have, it's another one. Oh, here it is, right up here. So I kind of go back and forth between tumblers and mugs from the Dollar Tree. So I got one this year, one for me, and one for Trey. Clearly he can't use it yet because he's still, he's only 2, but eventually he can use it. And then I also got chocolate chip cookies for us to bake chocolate chip cookies tomorrow. So Trey and I will bake some chocolate chip cookies tomorrow. We're gonna paint our cute little ornaments, and yeah, so we got that from the Dollar Tree. And I also got some matching pajamas. All right, let me show you guys these pajamas right quickly. This is what it looked like. I took way too long to get matching pajamas. I wasn't gonna do it this year. I was gonna wait until next year when Tristan came, but since Tristan made an appearance early, you guys know he came a month early, I went ahead and got pajamas last minute. So they had this one left for Trey, size 3T. And then the others pretty much just look the same. So this is mine's in a small, and then this is Ricky's in a large. So that's matching pajamas. For Tristan, they didn't have a onesie that was his size. They didn't have a onesie that was his size because you guys know he's literally 2 weeks old. Today is Monday, so he's 2 weeks old as of today. So I just bought him a cute white onesie. It has Santa Claus on the front of it, but it's actually in the dryer because I'm gonna have him wear that tomorrow for Christmas Eve. So it's in the dryer. I'll try to insert a picture for you guys when it come out, or I'll just you guys will just have to see them another day with it on. But yeah, so that's drying right now as we speak, and that's pretty much it. So again, it's 4:57, just checking in. Haven't been doing much of nothing besides just relaxing and breastfeeding and, you know, entertaining Trey. So that's pretty much it.